ABT presents a two-level conversations. A taste of Greece. My unforgettable journey. Vocabulary. Experience. Scenario. Bustling. Skewers. Breathtaking. Recommend. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. A taste of Greece. My unforgettable journey.
Hello, everyone. Last year, I had the incredible opportunity to travel to Greece, and it was an experience I'll never forget. Today, I want to share some highlights and tips for anyone considering their own Greek adventure. Greece is a beautiful country with a rich history and stunning scenery. I visited 5 amazing cities: Athens, the bustling capital; Santorini, a picturesque island paradise; Mykonos, known for its vibrant nightlife; Thessaloniki, a historical gem; and Nafplio, a charming coastal town. Let's start with Athens. I spent my days exploring the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the Plika neighborhood. For a delicious lunch, I recommend souvlaki kostas, a local favorite with mouth-watering skewers. In the mornings, I enjoyed a pastry and Greek coffee at Hippocrates Bakery. For a special dinner, Nolan Rooftop Restaurant offered stunning views of the city. 2 activities I highly recommend are a walking food tour to experience the local cuisine, and a day trip to Delphi, an ancient archaeological site. Next, I traveled by ferry to Santorini. The whitewashed houses and dramatic cliffs are truly breathtaking. I hiked the scenic path from Fira to Oia, capturing stunning panoramic views. For breakfast, avocado toast offered healthy and delicious options. A traditional lunch at Nicholas Restaurant was a perfect way to fuel my explorations. In the evening, sunset in Oya Restaurant provided a romantic setting with incredible sunset views. Kayaking in the caldera and a catamaran cruise were amazing ways to experience the beauty of the Aegean Sea. Mykonos offered a different vibe, with lively bars and clubs. I explored the iconic windmills and enjoyed the beautiful beaches. Brunch Republic fueled my mornings with delicious pancakes and coffees. A quick and tasty lunch was found at Falafel Souvlaki, a perfect spot for a midday bite. For dinner, Sea Satin offered fresh seafood with a luxurious ambiance. Taking a boat trip to Delos, an island with ancient ruins, and exploring the town of Mykonos by foot were fantastic activities. Thessaloniki, in northern Greece, offered a rich history and delicious food. I visited the White Tower and explored the vibrant markets. Yaia's Kitchen served up traditional home-cooked meals for a cozy lunch. A quick breakfast on the go at Loukoumades Thessaloniki with their warm, sweet donuts was a local treat. For a special dinner, Diomavros Gatos offered a unique and upscale dining experience. Walking along the waterfront and exploring the archaeological museum were enriching activities. Finally, Nafplio charmed me with its Venetian architecture and relaxed atmosphere. I strolled along the harbor and visited the Palamidi Fortress, A quick bite at Giro's Corner was perfect for lunch, and to Spitiko offered delicious homemade pasta for dinner. A traditional Greek breakfast at Taverna to Auzeri Pampula was a great way to start the day. Hiking to Palamidi for breathtaking views and exploring the Nafplio Old Town were both must-do activities. Transportation in Greece is convenient. I flew into Athens from my home country. Ferries connected the islands, and local buses were readily available in each city. Taxis were also an option, especially for shorter distances. Along the trip, I was paying attention to the locals. A few helpful Greek phrases I learned: Yassas, hello; Perikalou, please; and Epharisto, thank you. Knowing these basics helped me communicate with locals and navigate my trip smoothly. I visited Greece in the spring, and it was the perfect time. The weather was warm and sunny, but not too hot. The crowds were manageable, and the scenery was blooming beautifully. So, if you're considering a trip to Greece, I highly recommend it. With its rich history, stunning scenery, delicious food, and friendly people, Greece has something to offer everyone. Just remember to pack your walking shoes, sunscreen, and a sense of adventure.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave your doubts in the comments. We're glad to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.